Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Yeah? Hi?
Yeah, hi. Harinath here. Able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you very clearly.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. We'll start in a while, the session.
Yeah. I can see the screen.
Fine?
Yeah. It's very
I'll
fine.
start the session in a while. Just give me 4 minutes, 2 to 3
Yeah, sure.
minutes. When is there at the join, then there.
Yeah, sure. How many is there in the session, please?
Not sure. As of now, 5 candidates have joined, I guess, apart from the trainer and organizer.
Oh, okay. So the total is 5, right?
Yeah, 5 candidates are there. As of now,
Okay,
but not
okay.
sure who will join. Let
Yeah,
them.
yeah, okay.
Meanwhile, the system.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. Um, I'm continuing the session. Already we have completed the demo, and also we have seen the things, initial concepts and introduction to the CQ5. Now we'll continue the CQ concepts. Hi, are you able to hear me? Anyone, if not able to hear me, just ping me over here.
I can hear you.
Okay, all right. Next, if anyone not able, then ping me. Yeah, I'm continuing the session. Already demo concepts are over. Before introducing the actual development and actual concepts and actual practical things in a session, okay, actual practical things in a CQ, we will learn one by one that theoretical parts like what is a CMS and what all the technologies has been used in a CMS, means that sense CQ5, and and environments. Once you install a CQ server, what are the different consoles means environments, and means that sense development environments are available, types of the CQ servers, and different technologies which are embedded in a CQ like Apache Sling, VG framework, JCR, that is Java Content Repository, and what is CRX. Like we will see the different models as well. And what is clustering in CQ? How to develop a Java bundles in CQ? And what is REST? Means why a Sling, Apache Sling uses the REST protocol. Basically, what is REST protocol? And Sling plus MVC, resource-oriented and content-oriented concepts. Both resource-oriented and content-oriented concepts. We will see. First, CQ5. CQ5 is a platform. What kind of platform? It's a content management system based platform. What is content management? A system which manages the content. What is content basically? What kind of things are considered under the content? The content can be anything. In the perspective of content management system, content can be anything which can be stored. Either it can be a structured or unstructured. Unlike databases, it can be a structured or unstructured here. Like text can be a content or a document, any kind of document, either PDF, a flash document, Word documents, plain text documents, images, everything. This will be considered as a content. Even digital things like video, kind of any format of video, and flash videos, so MP4, MP3, anything is considered as a content. Managing all these kind of content is done by this content management systems. There are lots of content management systems are available in the market, in the perspective of open source and in the perspective of licensed sources also. Our CQ5 comes under licensed category, not open source. Good open source Java based content framework team site, but it's not an open source, it is a paid version. Drupal PHP based open source. OpenText is Java based open source CMS technology. Likewise. Then come to the CQ5. CQ5 is one of Java based content management system. What CQ5 is a wide enterprise web content management systems which enables the users to edit or modify or delete or whatever kind of the operation can be done to target the different digital assistances. Means you can target mobile, you can target desktop. Means your site or your content, you can target to the desktop, can target to the mobile, can target to other portable devices as well, like tablet, iPad, or whatever it is, the kind of device. What are the best features CQ5 is containing? Apart from other content management systems. And also, what are the features? Major features are there in CQ5. You can go through later PDF. Apart from PDF, I give introduction. I'll give the things. CQ embeds different technology stack. Means a workflow maintenance, a versioning, a DAM management, and through publish author environments, you can segregate the content. In author environment, you can develop the content. You can publish it later to the publish server. We'll see what is author and what is publish servers and workflows, how to develop workflows, what are the use of workflows in CQ. And templates, components, page rendering components, content components, designs, easy way of designing the site, easily applying design to your site is possible. These are the simplified things when compared to the other CMSs. The person who worked with the interwoven can understand, introvert one means a team site, can understand the difficulties, how the CQ eliminated. If you are new to the CMS and if you are new to the CMS technology, then you may be not aware what the tough things been eliminated in CQ. CQ is easy to use and manage the contents easily. We'll see all the searching. The one by one I will show the searching queries means entire repository you can query easily with the JCR queries, and managing the repositories, repository of digital assets such as images, videos, documents, integrate these assets to your website. And the easiest thing is drag drop methodologies. Hope already I explained you guys in demo session. The sense editing a page is easy in content management system. That is drag drop methodologies. Drag it and drop your thing and edit it easily. Just drag one component, edit it however you like. Something I given here, some text I have given here. Yes, see what the text. How fastly, how rapidly you are able to edit your site. This is drag and drop methodologies. We call it as a drag drop. Just drag the respective component which you like, which you require. Just drop it here into a container where you get an edit box. This we call it as a some container. Technically, CMS technology perspective, we call it paragraph system. It is a container which holds other components. It's a container for other components. Likewise, drag and drop methodologies to easily edit or modify or delete or update the content. These are specific features, just simple specific features to the CMS. That is CQ5 platform. To introduce basically what is CQ5 platform. CQ5 platform is a web application, a simple, not a simple only, with having a different technology stack embedded in it. You can integrate the CQ application with other application servers as well. By default, if you install the CQ, you will have the servlet container inbuilt. Means CQ server provides inbuilt servlet container. If you are not satisfied with that, you can integrate. Means you have already application server. Like already your application is legacy application. Already you have JBoss server. And you want your CQ application, means CQ server with your JBoss. Yes, it is possible because CQ is a web application. If you don't have any server, the things which comes with the CQ you can utilize it. But if you have already a JBoss or some other web logic, some other application server, you can integrate it with your application server also. That is possible. But by default, if you get a CQ job file, if you get a license for a CQ, by default you will get a installable things. Means you will get all as container executable environment. You will get the complete executable environment. You will get. We'll see. When we get a Java file, when we try to install a CQ server, what are the things we'll get, we'll see. But if you don't want, if you want to integrate with other servers, it is possible. I'm telling you that it is possible to integrate with either JBoss or WebLogic or WebSphere or Glassfish or whatever it is a server, application server, which is Java compliant server. I forgot to say you, some of you might not have attended the demonstration. CQ is a completely a Java-based technology. Java JDE means servlet JSP, another Java core technologies based application means Java JDE compliant server only. So you can integrate with Java based application servers, not with other technology based application servers. And when you install a CQ server, later on we'll install assume that already we installed a CQ server. Already we installed a CQ server. When you install a CQ server, the server will be assumed that we installed in our local system respectively, in each of our local system respectively. So in each of our local, the CQ server is up and running. That is assumption. So when CQ is installed, the default port of the CQ is 4502. So my server is up and running. With the IP, column, port number, I am accessing my server. Yes, I accessed. Yes, it is up and running, so I am able to access my server. That's fine. Then see what all the consoles, means what all the touch points are available for you in a CQ. We'll see each one by one. And by using these touch points, mean these consoles, what are the things we can do, we can accomplish. Observe here on projects left side menu bar or else left side navigation bar, if you mouse over on projects, you are able to see desktop icon. If you click here, you will be switched to classic mode. Means this is classic console, simply a desktop console. Through this you can access a desktop mode consoles. What is desktop then? Why we are separating? Because CQ supports authoring in mobile and tablet as well. Then how I can go to a mobile mode environment where I can develop the things, means directly without going to this desktop icon, just directly click on a projects. Directly you will be navigated to, by default you get mobile mode only when you log in. From here you can go to sites. If you want to go to sites, you can go to sites, apps, publications. We'll see each part. What is this? Due to version mismatch, I got this error. This error I got. We'll see why we are getting these errors, because Java 1.7 Java CQ will conflict. That's the reason. See, unable to compile JSP because version mismatch. Leave it. Already my live application is being developed in this environment. Okay, I'll explain. You see, what is this? Sites and sites console, where you can develop a end-to-end site. In desktop mode, you will get to know easily. Apps, publications. You are getting publication some error. Server installation problem, that is. We'll see that. Assets, where you can upload your assets. Means we'll see this complete different area. This is a different dam. Means this is a different stream of technology. We'll see how CQ works with the digital assets. Communities. If submodules are there, immediately you will be taken to other navigation bar, where here sites, moderation, matrix, tenants, user, and administration. Means administering the CQ is possible. That's group templates, site templates, community functions. Go back. And assets, where you can maintain your assets. Forms, means creation of the forms. And communities, means developer communities. Simply a support, means a blog, where you get a support. That's a global support. This is where. This is the first one only, where you can get the support, help, forums, means blogs. You can raise a query here. And the expert who has seen your question will answer. as and when you see the answer, a question. And commerce, integrating with the e-commerce applications, means Hybris or some other WCS. You can integrate the Hybris catalog as well. From that Hybris catalog, you can display. You can make editing here easily. Tools console means where you can configure a CQ. Your configuration related stuff can be found in Tools console. This is all I explained. Mobile environment. Now I will show you desktop. This is the base where we develop the things. This is what very important concept. These all the things. I'll explain each one by one. Please be carefully listen because I will give tasks on this in further classes. This is the websites basically where you develop your site. Website. This is the very important console. Regularly we use this console. This is websites console. Means where your website will be developed. For example, iGaming portal. This is the custom application which is being developed by our company, the where I am working. If I open the page, home page, I will be able to see my home page like this. Sorry. Just a second, let it load. It's a little bit slow. Not sure why the system is a little bit slow. Just a second. It's loading. Yeah, where you develop your site structure, complete site structure. Here, if you observe, iGaming portal. This is an English-based site. Now, in US, United States site. This is Canada. This is Canada. Yeah, this is how the AEM pages will be when you see in a development mode. This is how the things will be. In the left side, you will get some drag and droppable things like digital assets. You will get in the left side, and you will get here sidekick over. This is the live page. Once things are developed and moved to the live, this is the live application which we developed and delivered recently. This is how the page will be. This is the page structure. I mean, this is the site structure where your site will sit when developing the things. See, content / iGaming portal / home. This is en home.html. This is what the page. This is what your page. What the hell? Yeah, this is what your local page. Just for understanding purpose, what is site admin? I am showing the live concept, live things. This is where you develop your site locally. Once you fill the things, you will move it to the live environment, that is publish server. In the initial today's initial session, I introduced two things. One is author and live, means publish server. Author is where you develop the things. This is author. This is the server where we will publish when the things are fine. This is a site admin basically where you develop your site structure. You are the responsible for developing your site structure. Means language based things you have to take care. These things will make a hell lot of problem at the end. Means at the time of creating here live copy. if you observe here, live copy is there. This concept I'll introduce in next sessions. We developing the site means name must be language underscore region. Language underscore region. International language code underscore region. Otherwise, if you not mention clearly the language, you will not be able to create the live copies properly. So you are the responsible. Please listen carefully, because we faced the problems in live developments. If you make a simple mistake at the end of the application before the things go to the live, you will make hell lot of problems. You will face hell lot of problems. So you are the responsible. So before developing a site, please sit all together and take care, because live copies will make lot of problems. Real-time problem we faced, and I am explaining and I am stressing this, emphasizing it. So you are the one responsible before creating the site structure. This is a site admin. And another console is digital assets. We will create in later session all those, but introducing the introductory parts today. Digital assets. Sorry. As I said, digital assets. The name itself is telling. The type of assets are digital, means any kind of things like images, videos, and documents. Any kind of documents you can store in CQ server. That is managed in a separate stream, means separate application, that is DAM application. DAM is a vast. You can extend the DAM. You can completely customize the DAM. I will show you one real-time application which in our company we are developing, means we are completely customizing the DAM. I will introduce that application in later sessions, how in our company we develop and what is the advantage of the DAM application. Completely customized DAM means uploading the assets and managing and zipping the largest files and uploading it to the CQ. We customized it. I'll show you how we customized and how that environment makes easy to manage GBs of data. This is the DAM where you upload the assets. Simply, I'll upload one asset and I'll show you. This is a training. For example, my training specific application, I created a folder. Today we will understand. Don't think it is, I've started practical things. For example, training test 1, 2, 3. Assume that this is my project. So my project specific folder I am creating in the DAM. I created it. Inside again you would like to separate the things. For example, login related stuff you have. Login related digital assets you have. And again you feel that user management kind of related stuff you have. You can create one more folder. Easy managing, for managing easily, that's it. Create a separate. For login specific, you can upload a separate. How you will upload things to the CQ. For example, into the login folder, I would like to upload an image. Just select a new, select the right drop arrow, select a file which you want to upload. The file can be an image or a video as well. I am planning to upload one image. Assume that I am uploading my project specific image. Yeah, your image is being uploaded to the DAM. As and when you upload a asset to the DAM, document or image or a video, automatically a CQ assigns some metadata where that metadata is available. Select your DAM asset, double click it. Automatically it will open. It will open all its related metadata stuff which is being created by the CQ. And the right side, if you see renditions, I have uploaded only one image, but still I am able to see here 4 more images. How come it is possible? CQ renditions the images to different aspects, means different size, 48 into 48, 140 into 100, and 319 into 319. These are the sizes, height into width. But how come it is possible? Who is taking care of all those things? Adding certain metadata and making renditions for your uploaded image and versioning things and references. Means this image is being referred by any page or not, or any other assets or any other content. Those references will be created or stored here. Then who is taking care of all these things? Means in the backend CQ runs a workflows. In the backend CQ runs a services when you upload an image. Means simply asset to the DAM. Digital asset management. When you upload an asset, that asset can be an image, a video, or anything. Automatically CQ in the backend runs some services, certain services. Those services we call them as workflows. I will show the workflows. Few workflows I'll introduce. Out of the box workflows from a CQ, I'll introduce. When a DAM asset is uploaded, what things will happen in the backend? I'll introduce. This is simply a DAM. See, a lot of things in the DAM, and site admin will create one site itself. And this is campaigns. The name itself is telling. What is campaigning? Targeting particular audience. This is a campaign management, right? In a general terminology. Forget about specific to CQ. In general terminology. What is campaign management? It is simple. Targeting particular segment of audience. Simply targeting audience. So first make a campaign to publish your product, whatever it is. That can be a website, that can be a mobile or anything, that can be a vehicle or anything. Just campaign. First you have to campaign. That should be introduced to the public. When you make a campaign, the interested people will show interest towards your product. The one who showed the interest can be a lead to your business. Can be a lead. Means you are getting a lead. That lead when buys a product, that lead will become, means will be treated as a customer to your business. So to make a business, we need to campaign. Yes, you can campaign your website. You can publish your campaign management of your website through CQ. Yes, it is possible. That is with this campaigning console. You can create a campaign. You can attract the customers through your campaign management. Best example of campaign management, which I worked, not general. This is some kind of campaign related to this Panera Bread's business. This site I worked, I worked in my previous company. If you see here, Monday soups. Means specifically on Monday, this banner will show specific to Monday. Based and time-based campaigning is being done by this site, this Panera Bread site. How come it is possible? We will write in the backend a scripts which runs based on the condition. That condition depends on regional based or time based. For example, on Monday, on every week of Monday, we plan to make a campaign which displays a suits. Monday specific means time-based specific campaigning. We did it in this site. This site is based on completely CQ-based website only. I worked on this site. That's the reason I introduced this campaign. This campaigning we did it. On Tuesday, you will get different, and evening you will get snacks campaigning. Here only, this entire page will be filled with a snacks kind of stuff. Morning, breakfast. That kind of campaigning is being done in this site. That is what a campaigning. What is inbox? In general, what is inbox? The things which comes and sits in a box, that is inbox. What are the things will come? Either messages or notifications. Same like here also. The inbox contains the messages and notifications. What kind of messages and notifications? Those are related to workflows and user communication notifications, and superior and subordinate. Subordinate will make a request to the superior. Boss, I'm editing certain page. Please approve me to edit this page. So boss will get a notification from that subordinate or some user. Basically, admin and user communication. User will send a request to admin. Boss, I need to edit this page. I need a permission. So he'll send a notification. So admin approves it and allows that user to make a specific modification to that page. That kind of notification will run through this inbox. We'll see how a user will get a notification, how to generate a notification, how workflows will generate a notifications, and how those will sit, and where these notifications will sit in inbox. And also when you log in as a user, when you log in, automatically you can be able to see notifications here as well. These are the notifications here and in inbox console. In both areas you will be able to see the notifications. And next, users. Very important console and powerful console as well. Every server, not only CQ, either web application server or a web server or a web container or database server, any server will support the user creation and user management. Basically means creating the users and creating the groups, assigning permissions to that groups and users, and making users to make certain modifications to certain modules only. Means restrictions basically. As admin, you can create the users as well here. You can create the groups as well. When you create a user, assume that I created this user. Assume that I created this user, Ashley.Thompson. So what the permissions I have given? I have not given any permission. If you observe, go to the permissions tab. On the left side, just select your user always. In the left side pane, the pane is divided into two columns. One in the right side where you can observe the user related stuff. In the left side pane, you will get all the user details. In the right side, if you observe, Properties means his name, email ID, so and so, and groups, under which groups he is sitting, and permissions tab, and which all the permissions that user is having. For example, this Ashley Thompson is not having any permission to any folder in CQ. Impersonators. This person is being impersonated by any user or not? No, nothing, no user. Preferences. Any preferences like language preferences, editing toolbar, anything is there? No, nothing. So likewise, you can maintain the user. You can create, assign permissions to users. As admin, you can do all the stuff. And the sixth console is very important console, tools console. Tools. The name itself is telling tools. Here lots of tools available to configure and manage your CQ server. Lots of tools. Then what the kind of tools are available here? MSM. Multi-site management. We'll see what is multi-site. For example, if you go to larger sites, very big sites like General Motors, that company is vastly established across the world. Obviously, they will have their website in different regional based website, means different languages the site will sit. So definitely that site must be maintained in multiple languages. That we call it as a MSM, multi-site management. And cloud settings, if you want to integrate with any other cloud technologies like Adobe Marketing Cloud, Adobe Campaigning Cloud, and other marketing cloud environments too, you can integrate. Cloud service configurations, DAM configurations, commerce. Yes, you can integrate commerce applications as well, as we discussed previously. DAM. DAM, you can customize designs, where you develop your design stuff and assign your design to your website. For example, CSS stuff you can develop, and you can assign this CSS stuff to your website. And very important concept here, replication. Very, very important thing. Most of the times we touch this area. Replication is a process. Replication is a process of moving content from author server to publish server. This is very, very important terminology, boss. Remember it. This is author environment, assume it. This is publish environment, assume it. From author to publish server, we will move the content. That we call it as a replication process. For example, I have developed home.html page in author server. Assume that I have developed in author server home.html. This is publish server. Also we call it as a live server. Carrying this HTML, home.html from author to publish server. We call it as a replication process. Replication process. To replicate things from author to publish server, what you need? You need to make a connection between these two servers. Obviously, you have to make a connection. Otherwise, you will not be able to move the content from author to publish server. That replication connections you will make, that replication configuration you will make in this console, in this point. We will see what all the replication agents we will create, how we will move from author server to the publish server, the content. This is default agent. I will explain you later sessions. Create a replication agent and moving from author to the publish servers as well. And segmentation here, if you observe, what is segmentation? To perform a campaign management, you are planning to target different segments of audiences. Then you will write a segment-based scripts under here. I'll explain you a better example. Less than 18 years pupil means teenage people will have their own thoughts and they expect their own gamings or something, their own products. They show interest on their interest. So to target that audience means 18 years, you have developed one campaign. For example, electronics campaigning, electronic gadgets campaigning. So that campaigning will display specific electronics to the specific pupil. For example, if the age is being selected as less than 18 or 18 or less than 18, so what you will show based on your campaign, you have to write a script to pick a particular campaigning for less than or equal to 18 years, video games, kiddie based games, certain kind of stuff you can make visible to that audience. So that kind of segmentation based stuff means segment based script you will write here. See, males, females, winter, summer, these are scripts, segmentation based scripts. Male, targeting the male pupil, targeting the female. Winter, in a winter you want to publish certain kind of products, summer based, winter based sweaters, or certain kind of cool resisting products, summer heat overcoming products. So you can publish likewise. So targeting certain kind of users can be possible, certain kind of segments is possible with a segmentation. The segmentation you will develop here. Security, reports, you can generate the reports here. So different things, not specific, likewise here. Websites means exactly websites. DAM means digital assets. Campaigning means only campaigns. Users means only users. Inbox means only notifications and messages. But when it comes to tools, here different things are there, different aspects. That's the reason we call it as a miscellaneous admin. If you observe here, it is a miscellaneous admin, MISC. Miscellaneous. That's the reason. Miscellaneous means different configurations you can perform here. Tagging, very, very important thing. Tagging. You can, I hope you people are aware about tagging. It means tags. What is basically a tag? If not, I'll introduce few things, few concepts here. If you are experienced with the e-commerce websites, let's say consider e-commerce. There are lots of utilizations are there in, with respect to these tags. Let's assume consider e-commerce sites. When you search the things in e-commerce websites, when you search, sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, introduce yourself. Sorry, fine. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, tagging means if you search any item, means any product in e-commerce site, you will get your item, not only specific your item, and related stuff also you will get in your search. I hope I am correct. If you search for a mobile, example in Amazon.in, for example, Apple iPhone 6s, I searched for 6s iPhone. Apart from Apple iPhone 6s, I will get other mobile based products also. Suggestions means suggestion based results you will get. How it is possible? Through tagging. When the e-commerce admin people before uploading a content, they will assign a tag to the asset. Example, let me explain one example. Just hold on for 2 minutes. Yeah, assume that these all are mobiles only, or else few are mobiles in this. Assume that this is tag colon mobile. This is one company, Apple iPhone or something. This is Samsung mobile, but this is also been assigned with a tag colon mobile tag. This is to tag colon mobile. I mean, it is in technical perspective and theoretical perspective, means general perspective as well. This is tag colon something laptop. Tag colon some shirt or some cloth, whatever, some garment. We are thinking that this is iPhone, this is Samsung, this is yes brand in focus. These are the things assume. The user came to the search criteria and he started searching the things in a website. What he is searching? Something iPhone, or else when he searched for iPhone, now he will get all this stuff in his search criteria. How come it's possible? Means it is possible when an admin uploaded a content by assigning tag colon mobile tag. When you search for a particular item iPhone, it will find a particular tag of that item, and related all the tags will be queried. If you keep scrolling down, automatically you will keep on getting different kinds of mobiles, means which are assigned with the same tag. If you search for a mobile, some iPhone, you will never and ever will get this kind of product. If you getting means, that is absolutely a wrong development, that is absolutely a wrong tagging. User will feel awkward before uploading a content to the whatever it is, any site or any some other health based site or any store, any kind of store. So they will have to take care before uploading a content to the server. Based on this tagging only, we will segregate the content. Means segregate the content, we use tagging. To segregate the content, we use tagging. Means to make the search and to make or else to categorize the items easily, we use tagging. Here, hope you understand easily what is tagging. Tagging is for separating the content easily. The same tagged content will be put together, will be searched based on the tag. This is mobile categorized, mobile tagged products. Likewise here also, we create the tags and we will assign these tags to the assets. For example, DAM, go to the digital assets, open some asset. I open desert.jpg. Here I am assigning some tag, that is this is orientation or else portrait based. I am thinking that this product related to portrait category. So I assigned a tag portrait. I saved it. When I query portrait based or else portrait tagged items in my CQ server, obviously I will get this desert.jpg. What is this portrait? We call it as a tag. Then who is creating this tag? You are the responsible to create those tags. For example, asset, properties, orientation, this port. This is a tag. You are the one, you have to create the tag which will be used further. If you want, you can create your own tag, something like mobile. Mobile is my tag. I created it. Later on, I can use this tag to assign to the items in my CQ. These are the different consoles which are available in CQ. Very, very, very important consoles. How many consoles are there? 7 consoles. I explained each and everything. Basically, the basic concepts I introduced. Our assumption is that simply we install CQ server successfully in our local. Wait, in next sessions we will install the CQ server and we'll see exact things. Today I am introducing the environment of the CQ. These all consoles are over. Websites, digital assets, campaigns, inbox, users, tools, tagging. Now come to this rest of consoles I'll introduce at the time of development each one. I'll introduce directly a CRX-DE. Boss, just remember CRX-DE. It's a very important console where we develop actual application of CQ application. Open this. This is CRX-DE. We call it as a CRX-DE Lite. Content Repository Extreme Development Environment Lite. What is Lite then? Lite in the sense you are not installing any client-specific softwares to access the server. Just a browser installation is enough. Through the browser, with a port and IP, you are accessing one development environment. That is a light environment. That is CRX-DE. That's the reason we call it as a light. It is not heavy. With the browser installation, browser is enough to develop a CQ application. If you want to develop, also you can develop a Java services as well to work with the backend modules. That can be done through the Eclipse. We will see Eclipse integration with the CQ server when we develop a Java classes. This is CRX-DE basically. This is where you create your applications. Tools means server configuration you can do. You can query the JCR repository as well. I'll explain you what is JCR repository. What is JCR and what is JCR repository. This is team means you can like SVM. Team-based work you can perform. Renaming some asset, renaming something is possible with a rename. Move from one location to other location. These are the locations. This is the folder structure. And creating a node, file, folder, project, bundle, template, component, dialog. Each and everything we will create. Don't worry. Save all. Save all is for if you modify means if you work anything, if you change anything, or else if you create, if you modify, if you update anything, you can save. For example, assume that I have modified this page. I have given a space. Save all is nothing but committing to the CRX repository. Save all is nothing but committing means saving the things to the repository. Click on save all. For save all, shortcut is Ctrl S also. Without pressing the save all, you can press and doing Ctrl S. See, saved. That's all. This is CRXD, where you develop your actual application development, where your application development goes. This is the apps folder where your actual application creation happens. This is one environment. Today we have seen different consoles like websites, digital assets, campaigns, inboxes, users, tools, tagging, and CRXD Lite, where you develop your CQ application structure and components, templates, and the content, different stuffs you can do here. We'll see each and everything. And next, basically our CQ version, the training goes on CQ5.6.1. CQ version, the current training version which we are taking the training. To install this 5.6.1, you need to install Java 1.7 in your local. You must install Java 1.7. And I will share the server and server details later on, and in tomorrow's session I will show you how to install. Before that, please set up your system with the installation of Java 1.7. It must, because I will give you a task in the next session. So you must have Java and CQ installed local. Before installing the CQ, please install the 1.7. And next, I forgot to introduce you one thing. Adobe CQ. This CQ is not Adobe's product initially, because I'm repeating these words which I discussed in demo, because few people were not there in a demo. That's the reason I'm repeating the concept. This Adobe CQ is not an actual Adobe's product, and also it is not a new product. Most of the people assume that this is a new technology. No, it is a old technology, 13 years back old technology. CQ and initially released around 2003, I guess, not exactly sure. Around this years only it has been released. It is the oldest technology. But version by version they introduced the new concepts and they made it popular. That's it. This is being developed first by Day Software. Day Software, which is Swiss-based company, Switzerland-based company. Initially, this CQ was being called as day CQ. Any problem? Day communic. Up to around 5.3. Up to 5.3, it was with day software only. Later, it is being acquired by Adobe. From 5.4, this was treated as an Adobe CQ5, Adobe's product. Now it is completely Adobe's fully compliant product. The full rights Adobe is having. Now it is an Adobe CQ5. The latest version of CQ is AEM 6.1. This is Adobe Experience Manager 6.1. The latest version is this one. Just I would like you people to know the versions and who invented the CQ, means who developed the CQ, and later on who acquired the CQ, and what are the versions are available. 5.3, 5.4, later 5.5, 5.6.1, sorry, 5.6 and 5.6.1, and later the recent versions are AEM 6.0 and 6.1. These are the versions of the CQ. Yeah, we discussed a few concepts today. Anyone having any sessions? Can you people just let me know? Is everything clear? This doubts only goes and makes the session interactive. Guys, unmute yourself, just make your questions, and do you want to suggest anything? You there?
No, I think we're good.
Fine, right? Things are going fine, right? I'm not able to hear none.
Hello, hi, this is Imran. Can you hear me?
Yeah, absolutely.
Can others hear me? Aul, Shafiq, and Varinder. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes,
I can hear you. Yes, Imran, I can hear you, Sabrina.
Great. So I'll talk to you, Varinder, Shafiq, Auz in a while, but I think I'll talk to Harinath, once. So Hari, how do we connect? I just want to talk to you on a one-on-one. So
yeah, we can talk on this here itself if you want. Or else after people getting disconnected, then you can talk with me if you want any.
Oh, the training is still going on, right? Yeah. Let's do one thing. Just finish the training. Let others. The trainees. Let them. Get off the training. Then we'll connect again. Okay.
We will connect again the Google meeting. Then we'll have a discussion.
Sounds good. You can carry on. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the versions of the CQ, and the latest version is AEM 6.1. And I introduced developers community as well, where you can get the support, means where you can explore, means dig the things in a CQ in developer community. And in tomorrow's session, we'll see the installations and the technology stack. Just I want today only 1 hour is enough. If you guys have any doubts, you can raise. Means day by day will increase the session timings and concepts as well. Today, are you guys having any doubts? Hope everything is fine. Okay, all right. By tomorrow, we'll see installation. Sorry, someone is telling you good? Carry on.
I said we're good today. Yeah, I understood like whatever you said. No question.
No question. Yeah, concepts means I introduce the environment first. You must be familiar with the environment before directly going into the development. That's the reason I introduce the environment. I make you feel comfortable with the CQ.
Sure.
Thank you guys. All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Rina. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hey Imran, you there?
Yeah, hey, Harina.
Yeah, you can. Vijay is there. Vijay is with you or apart from you?
I'm sorry?
Vijay also is there. Vijay is with you?
Yeah, Vijay was with me only. He just stepped out. You want me to call him back?
Not
We just
required.
want to
Yeah.
have a talk with you. Yeah, we just
Yeah.
want to have
You
a talk
can.
with you. So the training is over for today, right?
Yes. Correct.
Okay. So I'll have my trainees to, just step out from a training, uh, and then we can connect. Okay, and you there? Hello?
Yeah.
No,
Harinath
I'm
here.
trying to reach. No, Aus, Shafiq.
How left? Shafi. All these people left.
Oh, they already left.
Yeah, left. Only Vijay, I am able to see some caller one. Avos, yeah, Avos is there. He's in
Aus, can you
silent.
hear me? Okay,
Effective
fine, no
sound.
worries. Yeah.
Mute.
So this is the first session, right? So these three are from Canada, as you know. I thought like you will talk to them, once and understand their background also. Ours carry the different experience into Java and web development, and whereas Shafiq is more experienced in Java, and he's in certified too. Varinder again is different background and again having Java experience. So I was wondering if you can talk to them one on one and understand their experience, their interest level. Interest levels are there. Just talk to them and understand their experience background, and then just for your information purpose. It's not
Good. Actually, good. I should know.
mandatory.
Actually, I should know about them because based
Yeah,
on that, I can go dig the things.
true. So these three are confirmed, and we are trying to add more. But these three from Canada, we already sent them offer to the sign, and they are very interested. So that's what I was just like wondering if you can give them special interest and talk to them one on one. That would be good.
Yeah, if they are available, then I can talk to them now itself.
I think they left already.
No, iOS is there, but he's in mute.
I'll try. I'll talk. I'll just chat with him. Okay, hold on. Hey, so are you there? So, as per you, hey Naz, what will be a total trading duration? How many days that you think you can drag it to?
We can drag if people shows interest and if they do the tasks which are given properly, then we can dig the things lot actually. So we can make it mostly around 25 hours, 20 to 25
20,
hours.
25 hours. So daily 1 hour, right?
Yeah, more than 1 hour it will go. When
Yeah, that's
actual
for sure.
development this is theory parts. That's the reason it won't be more than 1 hour. When actual development starts, it will
Okay,
not be sufficient. 1 hour is not sufficient.
for sure. And what about this assignments, right? You anyways give them assignment after the training,
Yeah.
work
The application,
assignment, case.
whichever I explain in the session, whichever I show practically, I want the people to do in their system. That's the reason today I stressed, right? They must have
Yeah,
installed Java 1.7. Later, we'll provide the server. Before installation of the CQ server, they must have 1.7. Means they need to continue parallelly with me the practical things.
good, good.
They have
And
to.
yeah, they will for sure. And there will be some project work or case study, right, after the training. I don't know if Sardi discussed this with you or not.
Yeah, we'll try. Scenario will give.
Yeah, see, because these guys will make them relocate to Georgia from Canada in third week of the training, so that they will do practice, and then they will have a live project, a kind of like practical job, a project study, a project work on Adobe CQ5 that you have to
Yes.
assign, and they'll do it about Adobe CQ5.
Okay, small kind of project I'll give them, not a problem. I'll give them and even I'll make them to work on Java as well. CQ Java work is a lot and that is a little bit tough. I'll make them
Yeah,
to
yeah,
like workflows.
and yes, yes, yes. And Sadhya I wish Sadhya could be on this call because we want to talk to you about the same, and also I think you will definitely help us on a resume modification. Anyways, we do resumes and we'll send it to you for evaluation. So you will have to see the resumes, and also you'll have to give a gain signal. This resume will fly, and then post that there will be a mock calls. So will you take mock calls?
Yeah, that support
No,
yeah,
not the
sure.
project support. Project support is different. That
That is
we
project
have a
support is
different deal.
completely different. That I know that is
Mock.
completely different. Currently I'm doing project support as well for the people who are not
Oh,
that. I'm doing even interviews as well, live interviews also.
oh, you do proxies also.
I'm not sure whether you are aware or not. Last week itself, I've done on 31st on proxy as well. I do all the. It's common, right, in India.
Great.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
in
it's common. No, but this
from
is
the
US. You India or US?
now US only. In India, we won't get that. It's
Oh,
not lucky that
yeah,
lucrative, right?
yeah, yeah. In India, it's not so easy. In US, is all about proxies.
Yeah,
Uh,
all everything is proxy. I know this stuff. You basically a consultancy. You run a
yeah, we
consultancy.
actually no, it's actually sister is more of like IT company and then consulting firm. So we have some internal project also. But this training that we've been doing for consulting business has been more than 17 years. So we normally hire
Okay.
people from Canada, employ them, training them on different technologies. So Adobe, this is the first time. We used to train people on Oracle, Hyperion, Java, and some other technology.
Okay. Great. Great. Really great. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. That's what like. Hey, by the way, if I need to reach you, would you like to share your number or something like that?
We'll check with the institute. Not a worry.
Okay,
We'll check with them actually, and we do proxies as well. Whatever the stuff,
okay.
whatever the assistance you need with respect to CQ, that is support kind and proxy stuff, everything we do.
Awesome, man. That's just all I need. So good. Then I'll talk to my trainees. And then tomorrow, once I get in, right? So I would request you to just like take 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and in that, just like talk to every individual and understand their experience
Okay, and
and
next,
boost
if
them
you
up.
need very depth information, like we have direct consultants from Adobe itself, direct Adobe. My team lead is
I'm sorry.
directly Adobe.
Uh-huh.
If the people need any depth support, it will give from Adobe itself. Adobe CQ, right? It is Adobe's product, right? I have contacts with Adobe consultants directly who are working in
Oh,
Adobe.
great.
So
Oh,
we will
great.
give
We can do that.
support. Don't worry.
Yeah, we can do that. That's more than enough. Once we deploy, we'll definitely need to
Yeah,
support.
we'll do
We can
process as
manage
well.
that.
We'll do all the stuff. If I plan to move to Canada, will you support if you any assistance regarding visa stuff and all those things? I'm
We do.
planning.
We do.
If any openings are there for CQ, then prefer my resume as well. Directly, I can get in through interview. I can do my stuff on my own.
No, you can send me across. I'll be happy to do that.
Okay. Are there openings
For US or Canada?
for Canada? Actually, for US, I don't have visa.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we can do
So for
H1
Canada.
as we do on every year.
Okay. We'll talk all this later anyway,
We'll
personally.
talk later. It's pretty
Yeah,
early.
yeah.
We'll talk
Let's
later.
do that.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, surely we'll talk. We
Okay.
need to. Anyway, thank you.
Oh,
Thank you,
yeah, yeah,
Imran.
we will. Thanks, Harinath. We'll talk again.
Yeah, we'll definitely will communicate.
Oh, yeah,
Sure.
we will.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.